During the process and creation of my media product, I have learnt quite a lot about technologies in which enabled me to improve my work and enhance my abilities. Throughout the journey of making my media product, I used Blogger frequently to help track my progress and provide evidence of research. When making my product, I used a number of different technologies and websites, some of which are a digital camera, a laptop computer, scanner, Photoshop, InDesign, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, YouTube, Prezi, SlideShare, Flickr, GoAnimate, and SurveyMonkey. A digital camera was used for taking pictures of my magazine. This was very helpful as it enabled me to take clear, high-quality pictures to make my magazine look and feel more professional. I also learned how to change the effects on the camera. Photoshop is an image manipulation program which was used a lot throughout the creation process, and I found it very helpful in the development of my media product as it allowed me to be creative and change things after the picture was already taken, for example, the lighting. Another image manipulation program called InDesign was used for a short period of time when I was trying to make my double page spread. I decided not to use it any longer as it did not have key features that the Photoshop software had, such as the Pipette tool and various other tools. On my blog, I have a detailed blog post about the differences between InDesign and Photoshop and why I preferred Photoshop to InDesign. The internet was also another useful tool that helped me during this process, as it did not only allow me to keep track of my progress using Blogger, but it also allowed me to research in detail the codes and conventions of a typical R&B magazine. Using a scanner was also a very helpful tool, as it enabled me to scan in my flat plans and anything useful that could help me with my research. This also helped me to produce evidence of research and planning throughout the journey. Microsoft Word and Microsoft Publisher were also useful as it allowed me to prepare written work before putting them into more creative formats such as a Prezi or a SlideShare. This gave me a chance to correct any mistakes that I may have made before putting them onto my blog. Overall, the technologies and websites mentioned helped me produce my final product in many ways. These technologies and websites enabled my work to look very professional and gave me a clear way to show evidence of my planning and research.